Hello again, YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Parallax case by Caseology for the Pixel 6 Pro. So this phone's pretty new. I haven't used this one personally yet because I'm waiting for the case, which came today, and my screen protector, which is still shipping. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. So the packaging is pretty simple. It's in a plastic bag, cardboard box. There's not a ton of extra packaging, anything like that. It's just, enough room to fit the case. Comes with welcome to the club. We're happy to have you. Caseology, thank you. Some stuff in here. And there is the part number. I went with the ash gray. I ordered this off of Amazon. I will put a link in the description. Show you all the angles before I put it on. It's a pretty clean looking case. Has a nice little bump out to help protect the camera there. Let's go ahead and pop this thing on. Slide the top in first. I'm just going to squeeze around the bottom. Now this is a TPU case. This kind of feels like possibly some harder plastic molded in. This bar here and this around the camera. I don't know if you can see this, but that protects that camera pretty good. This sticks out a good bit. It's not super slippery in the hand. It's got a decent texture on it. I actually like the looks of this case a lot. I'll try to show you. It bumps up a little bit above the edges, which should help protect the screen. However, it doesn't fully go up the full height of the screen curve. If you can see there, you can still see a little bit of the screen. Now on the top and the bottom, there's nothing like that, but on these sides, a little bit of the screen curve still popped up above it. Well, there's my review. Thanks for watching. I think I'll be using this case here for a while, so I'll see how it holds up in the long term, but I've used TPU cases a lot on my Pixels and never really had a problem with them. So again, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment, ask any questions if you have them. Bye.